Hey everybody, this is Robin at Redline Shipping. We are here at the Pacific Northwest Reptile Show. I'm here with Brian Cusco from Redline Report, and we're going to take a look at how to prepare a box that's going to have multiple sizes of animals in it, and how we can use home-style dividers to protect the animals from moving around, getting squashed, and again, how we can put large animals and small animals into the same shipping box safely. I've got a couple animals on hand for this. Got a large ball python in this bag. You'll just have to believe me. Got a smaller colubrid in a smaller bag. I've got a tarantula in a plastic cup. And this one's obviously going to be more fragile than our adult ball python. And then to round it out, we've got a gargoyle gecko in a 6-inch deli. So if I want to do that, all those animals in this same 16-16-8 box, which is a good sized box, but it's going to be necessary to get all the animals into one shipment. But again, that can be challenging if there's different weights or if you have bagged animals and deli cupped animals. I've got some double thick cardboard. And what I'm going to do is make dividers inside the box. I've cut these beforehand. I've cut them about 1/4 inch longer than the width of the box, so that they're going to dig into the side foam and hold themselves in place. And then for this bigger 16-16-8 box, I'm going to create 4 different chambers. And so I've cut slots on the cardboard as well, so that I can create my X here. So if I put these into the box, again, I'm just going to kind of dig them into the foam. And now that they're in there, that's going to hold them in place nice and firm. If you just do a piece of cardboard, that cardboard can still move around, and the heavier animals can still move to the side and squash the smaller animals. So here's what we have. We have 4 different chambers. We'll just play pretending. So I'm going to use some packaging material here to create kind of a nest at the bottom of some of the chambers here. That'll help cushion our containers. This is a nice expanded cardboard material that I get with my Reptile Basic shipment. So it's nice to be able to recycle stuff like that. So I've got a smaller area here by chance. So I can use my square deli cup down in that segment. I can put my 6-inch deli in the segment next to that. I've got my large ball python, which is the heaviest animal in here by far. And my colubrid in a bag can go in this segment over here. So I've got all 4 segments going. 4 completely different style animals and different weights, but they're not going to be able to move around. Even this big, healthy adult ball python, it can't move into the other areas of the box. So I can ship this box safely without the animals shifting, without anything squashing. Say I'm doing a couple of adult ball pythons and a bunch of baby ball pythons. This would be a way to separate those weight-wise and safely make it work. So the other thing I've done is I've cut the cardboard a little short according to the box size. That way, if I do need to use a heat pack, which I would only do according to the Redline shipping standards and heat pack use guidelines, but I have enough shortness in there that the heat pack will still fit. So then I put my cover on, nice and snug. Heat pack, if necessary, is in place. The animals are going to all be protected. I want to fill in this empty space with more packaging material and make that work. The other thing that I can do, if I take all these guys back out of here, set them aside, pull out my packaging material, pull out my cardboard. If I was just going to use one piece of cardboard, you don't have to split it into 4 sections. You could come down and say split your box into thirds. So maybe you have 1 large animal here or 2 large animals here, and again, a bunch of smaller animals over here. You could put your divider anywhere in the box that you want. Again, you cut it a little bit long so it digs into the foam and creates a channel that will hold it in place. So whether, say this is a 12-9-6 box, split that into thirds. If it's a 15-11-7, I can split it in the middle. I can split it wherever I want. Especially in the 30-16-10, very popular, large size box. A lot of people ship a lot of animals in that box. You could use multiple dividers and split that up. But what this is gonna do is allow you to put some heavy stuff on one side and some lighter, more fragile animals on the other side, and it keeps them protected. Nothing gets squished, nothing gets squashed. You can ship your animal safely that way. So that's an easy thing you can do at home in order to ship multiple size animals at the same time.